friends, today in this video right now I'm going to show you how to increase and decrease font size on infinix mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here at first you have to move on setting. After that, here you can see this is the display and brightness, so just click on it. After you have been click on it, you have to scroll. You just keep scrolling. Then here you can see this is the font size, so you just click on the font size. After you have been click on it, you are going to find the scale. So if you want to decrease the text size, you just scroll the icon on the down. The text size will be normal here, and when you scroll again, this is the small. Okay, see when I scroll down, see it has been become small. So if you want to increase it, you just scroll on the top and it will be increase. See, it has been increased, right? You can decrease and increase, or you can keep it normal too. Okay, so as your wish, you just control this scale by yourself. And friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.